Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be showing you this ingenious way of using your Bluetooth headphones as a gaming headset with your Xbox One. Today we'll be using a Scosche FlyTunes wireless audio transmitter to connect our headphones to the Xbox One. There are very few steps and connection is almost instant, making this a very easy hack. Inside the box, you'll find the FlyTunes audio transmitter with a few accessories to help connect devices, charge and carry around with you. To start the process, take the transmitter and make sure that it's charged by holding down the multifunction button for 3 seconds to turn it on. A blue light will begin flashing to indicate that it's working. Now you need to pull down the right auxiliary input prong for a single stereo output and insert it into the headphone port on the base of your Xbox One controller. Alternatively, you can use the extension cable provided to give the transmitter a little more room, but this does create an awkward setup with the transmitter dangling loose. Next, take your headphones and press and hold the power button for the suggested time to enter pairing mode, which is indicated by the alternating blue and red light on your device. Press and hold the multifunction button on the transmitter for 5 seconds to begin searching for your headphones via Bluetooth. The lights will begin to alternate between red and blue when pairing mode is active. Holding the headphones close to the transmitter, your device light should turn from alternating lights to a steady blue flashing light, signalling a successful connection. Now you can enjoy the freedom of movement when gaming using your favourite listening device. No longer tethered to your controller or console, the light, compact nature of wireless headphones helps you listen to in-game chat and audio easily so you can focus solely on the game with no technical hitches. The transmitter is easy to carry with you anywhere and comes with a drawstring bag to help you keep everything together while in the house or out and about. The beauty of this setup is the universal Bluetooth connectivity, meaning that you can successfully pair any set of Bluetooth headphones. It even comes with a handy travel instructions card in case you forget the steps or if you're lending it to a friend. Of course, this device doesn't replace your gaming headset completely, as without an accompanying microphone attachment, you can only listen to game audio and online chat. But if you only need to block out external sound, then this device is great for converting your favourite headset for an additional purpose. So that's it for a quick tutorial on how to connect your wireless Bluetooth headphones to your Xbox One. If you're on the lookout for more tech reviews and smartphone accessories, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more daily content. Thanks for watching.